Understanding the role of a property manager, let's get into it. I'm Nicole Mansour.
I'm Joel, and we're your local property managers at First National Connect. As a property manager, my role covers a broad amount of duties and responsibilities. The most commonly known are keeping the client's property in optimal condition and finding a good tenant. But our role covers much more than that, and we're going to get into that today.
Before being appointed as your agent, a property manager's role has already started from the first point of contact. Preparing your appraisal and market update, the property manager ensures the property research has been completed, comparing the recent activity of the market and where your property sits within the current market.
Property managers also market your property. This includes arranging photography and writing up a well-curated advertisement. They also look at recent trends to be able to get you the best value for your property. These trends will also help to see when the best time to launch your property. Property managers are also running these open homes so they can meet prospective tenants along with keeping a record of who comes through your property and what their feedback was.
Property managers are also your admin superstars. This includes finalising and submitting tenant applications for the landlord's approval, to drafting up tenancy agreements for signing and everything in between. A property manager also extends their responsibilities when it comes to project management, such as repairs and maintenance, ensuring the correct trade has been chosen for the job. It is our key objective to ensure your biggest asset is being looked after, whether it's wear and tear items or just regular ongoing maintenance such as gardening and presentation.
The most common thing that we're known for is making sure your rent is paid up to date. Throughout the management of your property, inspections are very important, and that's what we do here. We are making sure that routine inspections are conducted along with the very important ingoing inspections and vacate inspections. After we complete these inspections, we're giving you very detailed reports to make sure that the ongoing condition of the asset is noted and you know where everything is up to.
The role of a property manager includes customer service. Our team strives to ensure that we maintain the delicate balance between tenants and landlords. With this, we are also mediators. We are your central point to ensure your concerns are heard to achieve the best outcome for all parties. Most importantly, our role as your property manager is to make managing your investment portfolio a pleasant experience and overseeing the day-to-day operations of your residential or commercial property. At First National Connect, our team prides themselves on ensuring our landlords and tenants are well looked after at every stage of their journey.
For all things property, be sure to follow us here at First National Connect.